Hey, Sharp Shaver here for the Razor Company, and we're here to do some shave and chat. Hey, today we are shaving with Master Soap Creations Tabacchi. It's a really good scent. It's inspired by tobacco vanilla. The top notes are tobacco leaf and spicy notes. Middle notes are vanilla, cacao, tonka bean, tobacco, blossom, and base notes are dried fruits and woody notes. All right. I'm going to do a face lather today. I've also got the splash. The razor of choice is the Merkur Progress with the Tatara blade. And going to use Zingari Man's aftershave balm. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna do a face lather. I'm gonna lather up and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay. How's everybody doing today? It's been a beautiful day here in Oklahoma. A beautiful 86 degrees today. I'm also using my brew brush. Excellent scent. If you like a good tobacco scent, this is the one for you. It is really good. Need a little bit more water. And you got to get yourself a TRC bougie sprayer. Greatest invention known to shaving. And I'm doing it on the setting 3 today. So. All right. This is the first time I've ever shaved with this razor. And you can get this from the Razor Company also. All the products I'm using tonight, you are able to get at the Razor Company. My Razor Company shirt was dirty, so I didn't get a chance to use it today. All right, setting 3. I think I got a little too much. I'm gonna go back down to a 2. Oh, there we go. And they got some really cool little knobs for the bottom of it. I think you can get them in stainless steel, or you can get them in brass, bronze. There's been a couple of different ones. I'm waiting for them to restock the beehive. It's really cool looking. All right. Going to rinse and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm going in for pass 2. This is actually the very first Master Soap Creation soap I've ever used. This is also a Master Soap Creation and the Razor Company collab. Excellent tobacco scent. If you like tobacco, this is the one you want. It's got a little bit of sweet, but definitely tobacco forward. Excellent tobacco scent. All right. I'm going to go across the grain. Got a blemish right there. Try not to catch it. All right. All right, I'm going to rinse and we'll go in with the aftershave routine. All right, I'm back. All right, let's go in with the Ellen block. I'm changing things up. I normally put the Ellen block. I normally do the balm, then the Ellen block, but I just thought I'd change it up a little bit more, just in case there's a little irritation from first time ever using this razor, which the only spot that really is stinging is the blemish that's here and the one that's underneath there. But other than that, it's like butter. No zings, nothing. And man, this is an excellent tobacco scent. Yeah, I'm kind of weird when it comes to my alum block. I like to rinse it off as soon as I get done with it and dry it off. I have a dry docking station, but for some reason I do this every time. All right. Right. I'm going to rinse. Now I'm going to go in with my balm. I always put about that much in there. That was a comfortable shave. I just need to use it more. Really good. Close. All right. Going to go in with the splash. Got to shake it up. There we go. Yeah, I slept on the Dylan Blue by the Master Soap Creations and TRC. I kind of wish I wouldn't have, because it is an homage to Versace's Dylan Blue, and it smells amazing. Oh. So, but anywho, first remember using the razor and that blade combination. I would give it about a 3 out of 5 or 3.5 out of 5. It was close. But if I wouldn't have had these blemishes, it would probably be a 4 out of 5. And the scent is just out of this world. Great tobacco scent. I would highly recommend this if you like tobacco. Excellent. Excellent soap. Tobacco soap. Yeah. Anywho, I'm going to call that a shave. You can hit me up on Instagram at SharpShaver76, or also on YouTube, Sharp Shaver. Stay sharp, stay shaving, and we'll see you on the next one.